All right, folks, my name is Nestor, and I'm here with a collection of crossback chairs. One of them is wood, two of them are ToughResin crossback chairs, and one of them is a steel skeleton crossback chair. So I'll have you look again and see if you can tell the difference. I'll give you 3, 2, 1. All right, here it is. This is our real wood crossback chair. These two are our ToughResin crossback chairs. And the last one here is our steel skeleton crossback chair. If you look in the camera here, you can hardly tell the difference which one's real wood and which one's not. It has the texture of real wood on our ToughResins, similar to an actual real wood chair. Can get rained on, you can leave them outdoors, and they're not gonna rot on you. In fact, our steel skeleton, which is our strongest, and this will hold up to 4,000 pounds of downward force. These chairs right here are back with a 10-year warranty. So this is the strongest warranty. Nobody abuses chairs more than the event rental business. You guys know it better than anybody else. These chairs get totally abused, and that's why they love our ToughResin, and even more so our steel skeleton ToughResin crossback chairs. Depending on your business and what's important to you, if you're gonna keep them indoors, maybe for a restaurant, these are a great choice as well. And nothing beats when you walk into a room, the smell of real wood. Easy to stack. You can stack, I think, 8 to 10 high. Obviously, we have our world's best cushions attached here. Adds an extra layer of comfort. That's an optional accessory you can add. We have a huge variety of colors to match. Folks, get yours today at Chivari.com.